In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front emblem on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Remove this cover. There's some push pins. Just use a trim tool, pull the push pins out. And pull the cover off. And take these screws out. Use a 10mm socket. Now we need to disconnect these clips right here. Just use some needle nose pliers, and you just want to squeeze those as you pull the front of the grille. Just pull the grille forward, separating those. Sometimes you gotta get in between there. And there's one down below, right there as well. So you have to unhook those. Same on the other side. You can also use a trim tool. Just try to pry those out. And just slide it out. On the back side, you can take the emblem off. Just use some needle nose pliers. And there's a couple of clips right here. Just want to pry those out. Oops. You can use a screwdriver. Pocket screwdriver will work as well. And slide the emblem right off. You're just trying to pry those in. Now take the emblem. There is a little pin right here. You want to line that up with that hole. And then just lock it in place. Now line the grille up. Get all the push pins lined up. And push it on. I'll put the screws in up top. And tighten these down. And line the air deflector up. Take the push pins, get them all started. and push them down. Lock them in place. Oh, one more.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.